how to turn headphone notifications on or off in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, tap on sounds and haptics. Now in sounds and haptics, scroll down and tap on headphone safety, and then in headphone safety tap on headphone notifications button to turn it on or turn it off. So if you want to turn on headphone notifications, then tap on this button to turn it on, and then here it will show you the number of notifications that you have received in your headphones in last 6 months. Now if you want to turn off headphone notifications, then tap on this button again to turn it back off, and after turning off this button, the headphone notifications will be turned off. So that's how you can turn on or turn off headphone notifications on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.